We're looking at question 20 on the AP Statistics Midterm Review Packet, and here we are told the distribution of household incomes in a small town is strongly skewed to the right. So there's our shape. The mean income is $42,000, that's our center, and the standard deviation is $24,000, that's our spread. The Ames family's household income is $60,000. The z-score for that family's income is what? So I did get right off the bat context, shape, center, spread, and what I observed in this scenario. So I'm going to try and figure out what I'm going to do with this. Well, z-score, I know I'm going to do the z-score formula, but I'm going to apply some logic here. I know the mean is $42,000 and the Ames family income is $60,000. First off, that's a positive z-score. And so I'm going to go ahead and cross out option A, because 60,000 is bigger than 42,000, which means the z-score would be positive. So therefore, option A can't be the answer. Now, as I go through and read the options, I'm going to see that, 0.75, there's a positive one, there was a negative one before. E, none of these, because z-scores cannot be used unless the distribution is normal. That sounds good, right? Oh, wait a minute, normal. So I have table A, and I'm calculating, I'm doing normal CDF in my calculator. So, those use z-scores, don't they? Well, I'm going to tell you right now, that's a trick. Z-scores can always be calculated. It doesn't matter what the shape is. It's normal CDF or dealing with table A. That's when it has to be given to you as normal or approximately normal. When you're trying to use those two, that's when the shape matters. Otherwise, z-scores can always be calculated because it's the number of standard deviations away from the mean. So E is a little bit of a trick. So now I'm just going to go through and I'm going to do the problem. And so z-score, you have statistic minus parameter divided by the standard deviation of the statistic. So I have 60,000 minus 42,000 divided by 24,000. That's 0.75. So in this case, our answer is going to be C. Now I do want to be careful, there's one thing to be aware of. What if I would have done the wrong direction in a way? If I would have done the parameter minus the statistic. If I would have done the parameter minus the statistic, so 42,000 minus 60,000, that would have also been where that negative 0.75 came from. So we crossed out the negative 0.75 based off of logic in the beginning, knowing that our z-score would have to be positive. And if I didn't do that and I accidentally used the wrong formula, instead of doing the one on the left here, which is statistic minus parameter, if I would have done parameter minus statistic, I would have gotten A. So messing up the order of subtraction would have given me a wrong answer. But we eliminated that wrong answer by doing some logic in the beginning based on what should our answer look like, which was positive. So hopefully this helped with question 20.